skill analysis 2, motion analysis using MB Ruler. MB Ruler is another free program. It's a German program but does have English instructions. Download it, install it for free, unrestricted. You can install it on a USB stick, so I do to run it portably. We have our screenshot that we've taken from Movie Maker, particular key point. You can see down here in the tray MB Ruler is running. I can left click on it and cycle through 3 options. First option is like now, it's invisible, nothing there. If I left click, the protractor will appear on the screen. If I left click again, we get the coordinates measurement on the screen, and then left click again and we can go invisible. So what we're doing here is we're measuring some angles. So I'll left click, put the protractor on the screen. If I hover my mouse over the center, you can see it change to a white cross. Grab that and move it to wherever we want to. So I'm going to measure the angle of the knee, place that on the knee, come over to the edge, turns to a rotation symbol, and I'll rotate that so that it lines with the top limb. I can then move my mouse around. You can see a red line will follow, and in the middle in this circle it's reading out the angle, so I line it up with the limb that I want to measure, and there's my angle there that I need to jot down. If I wish to move it, it's simply grabbing it again to measure the next angle that we want to measure. If I wish to change mode, I can right click, mode options, coordinate system and triangular ruler. We can also scale and have a look at our grid. Our coordinates mode, you can see that the X and Y axis values are changing, and by doing that we could actually measure. So if I had placed markers on the floor and knew that they were 5 meters apart in real life, I could then measure the distance a ball is moving or my feet are moving just by simply performing mathematical calculations from the pixel movement, my foot compared to the pixel movement, to measure the 5 meters.